Today we're going to make a simple 3-ingredient cocktail, the Candy Apple Martini. Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to another new episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. So this will be somewhat of an original recipe. I can't take credit for the concept of the drink, but I will take credit for this particular recipe. Instead of sour apple pucker or anything like that, we're going to use Green Apple Jolly Rancher Vodka, which we recently made in the Jolly Rancher Shots episode. We're also going to use some DeKuyper Butter Shots. And since this is full-strength vodka with just the green apple flavor in it, we're going to have to dilute it a little bit, and instead of using cranberry juice, we're just going to use some apple juice to try to hold that green color and the apple flavor. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our Candy Apple Martini. We'll start with 2 ounces of green apple vodka. Next, 1 ounce of butter shots. And 2 ounces of regular apple juice. Alright folks, let's pour out our Candy Apple Martini. Alright folks, the Candy Apple Martini. I'm excited for this one. Cheers! Well, it's good. The first thing I noticed was the butter shots, this like caramel or candy flavor, and the apple flavor comes through a little bit afterwards. And despite using 2 types of alcohol in here and only a little bit of apple juice, I would say it's well balanced because it doesn't seem too strong or boozy. It just seems like you're biting into like a candy apple almost. And I would say that's the goal of the cocktail. Perhaps you could use just a little bit less butter shots, maybe 1/2 ounce or 3/4 of an ounce if you wanted to have more of the apple flavor. But as far as using the Jolly Rancher Green Apple Vodka goes, I'd say this is quite a good alternative to like a DeKuyper Green Apple or Pucker. Alright folks, that's gonna just about do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Leave me a comment if you like, subscribe if you like what you're seeing here, and I'll see you in the next episode.